I know it's going to sound crazy, but I actually figured out how to make $10,000 a month quickly, and honestly, it's not as hard as people think it is. I'm gonna be straight with you, because most people out here are feeding you complete garbage and keeping you broke on purpose. I cracked the code on how to actually hit $10,000 a month, and I'm going to share the real blueprint that actually works with you, and I'm seeing it work over and over again for people who just decide to stop making excuses and finally execute. My name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day selling high-ticket consulting. In fact, I had my first $1,000 day at 21 and my first $2,600 day at 22 with this business. Look, the simple truth is that if you want to quickly and easily print money online, you need to sell high ticket. I'm talking programs and services that are priced between $1,000 to $10,000 or even more. And before you start panicking like, oh, I could never charge that much or nobody's gonna pay me that, just be quiet and listen, because you're about to understand why this is literally the only way that makes sense if you actually want to build a real wealth fast. The first reason why high ticket is the best way to go is that the profit margins are literally insane, like genuinely. We're talking 80 to 98% profit margins. To give you an example, my average profit margin without ads has been over 96% so far. Think about that for a second. If you sell a $1,000 product and you're keeping $800 to $950 of that, you only need to close 10 deals a month to hit $10,000. 10 deals only. We're not talking about 1,000 sales. You don't need 10,000 followers buying your $15 ebook. All you need is 10 clients, like that's literally it. Compare that to trying to sell a $27 course where you'd need to make what, 370 sales just to hit the same number? I know that this is going to surprise a lot of people, but getting a $2,000 or a $3,000 sale literally takes the same amount of effort as getting a $200 client. The difference is you actually make way more money when selling high ticket. So if you want to print money in 2026, ditch the low-ticket models and start selling high-ticket programs and services. High-ticket consulting and services scales way faster and way quicker than any other business model out there. You don't need a massive audience. You don't need to be famous. You don't need 1 million followers. You don't need to do some cringe dances on TikTok or whatever, hoping somebody buys your affiliate link. Like, if you wanted to make real money with things like affiliate marketing, you'd need hundreds of thousands of people seeing your content consistently. If you wanted to sell a school community or some low-ticket monthly membership, same thing. You need massive volume. But with high ticket, you can literally have 500 followers and be making more money than someone with 50,000 followers selling cheap stuff, because you only need a handful of the right people to say yes. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now let me break down the actual funnel that makes this whole thing work, because this is where people get lost and start doing random stuff that doesn't actually make any money. The funnel is everything. It's literally the difference between being broke and confused and actually printing money consistently. The first thing is that you need a painful problem you're gonna solve for people. And I mean painful, not like, oh, that'd be nice to have. I'm talking about problems that keep people up at night. Problems that make them feel desperate. Problems they've tried to solve before and failed. Let me give you just a few examples. Helping people invest in the stock market so they can actually retire without being broke and scared when they're 70. Helping guys who can't get dates and feel invisible to women figure out how to actually attract someone they're excited about. Helping businesses that are stuck at a certain revenue break past through that ceiling and finally scale. Helping people who are overweight lose that weight for good without spending their entire life in the gym or eating foods they hate. These are real problems that hurt. And when something hurts bad enough, people will pay premium money to fix it. The key here is that your solution needs to be specific and it needs to actually transform their life. You're not just selling information, you're selling a result. You're selling the after state. The version of them that doesn't have this problem anymore. That's what high ticket is really about. Now, once you've got your painful problem and your solution locked in, you need traffic. This is how people actually find out you exist, and that's how you can help them. If nobody knows about you, I'm sorry to say you won't make any money, even if you have some really good value to share with the world. There's a few ways to do this, and they all work, but some are better for different reasons. The first option is making content on social media, exactly like I'm doing. You're putting out videos, posts, reels, etc. on platforms where your ideal clients hang out. You're educating them, showing them you know what you're talking about, building trust. This takes time, but it's free, and it builds a real audience that actually trusts you. The second option is cold ads. These are ads going to people who've never seen you before. You're literally interrupting their scroll and saying, hey, I can solve this problem you have. This costs money up front, but it's fast, and you can scale it very quickly once you figure out what works. Anybody making big numbers, multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars a month, is using paid ads to scale. Even outside of online business, I can't think of many businesses that don't invest a ton of money in ads. Even very established brands like Coca-Cola or Apple still run ads, so it's for a reason. The third option is warm ads. These are ads going to people who've already interacted with your content somehow. Maybe they watched one of your videos or visited your website. These convert way better than cold ads because they already know who you are and they trust you more. Your fourth option is referrals, but real talk, this is super unreliable. You can't really build a business on just referrals alone because you have no control over it. It's great when it happens, but you can't really scale with it. Like if I put a gun to your head and I told you, double your business in 30 days, like how would you do it with referrals? You literally can't. The best way to scale like that double in 30 days would be to do it with advertising. Even content isn't predictable. You post a piece of content, you can't know in advance how many views it's gonna get. You just can't. You can get lucky or very unlucky. The fifth option is cold outreach. This is where you're reaching out directly to people to start conversations. Here's the thing though, this really only works for B2B. If you're selling to businesses, cold outreach can be fire. But if you're trying to sell to regular consumers, so B2C, you're just going to look like spam and nobody's gonna take you seriously. So now you've got traffic coming in. People know you exist. Now what? This is where most people fumble the bag. You need a proper sales process. For high ticket, the best funnel is what we call a VSL funnel with a sales call. VSL stands for Video Sales Letter. In simple English, it's a longer form video, like this one kind of, that educates people on the problem they have, shows them why the trash solutions don't work, introduces your unique solution, and gets them excited to talk to you. The video does the heavy lifting of pre-selling your leads and qualifying them, so by the time they book a call with you, they already want what you're selling, they're ready to pull out their credit card and purchase. They just need to make sure it's the right fit and get their specific questions answered. Then you hop on a call, you build more rapport, you handle objections if they have any, and you close them into your program. Boom, you've just made between $1,000 all the way to $10,000 and more. This is just so much better than trying to sell high ticket with just a sales page or trying to close someone who knows nothing about you. The VSL builds massive trust and authority before you ever talk to them. And sales calls let you actually close high ticket deals properly because people need that human connection before spending thousands of dollars on ads. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, let's talk delivery, because getting someone's money is only half the equation. You actually have to deliver results or your business dies. Like, literally. There's a few main ways to deliver high ticket, and they all work depending on what you're selling. One-on-one coaching is where you work with clients individually. This is the highest touch and usually commands the highest prices because they're getting your full attention. And your time is valuable and expensive. At least, the more successful you become, the more expensive your time becomes too. The downside is, one-on-one doesn't scale super well because you can only work so many hours in a day. Group programs are where you've got multiple clients going through your system together. Maybe you've got weekly group calls, a community, and some course content they work through. This scales way better because you can serve 20 people in the same amount of time it takes to serve one person in the one-on-one model. Done for you services is where you literally do the work for them. like if you're running ads for businesses or building websites, things like that. They pay you to get the result without them having to do the work themselves. This can be super profitable, but it's also the most labor intensive on your end. And then there's hybrid models where you combine things. Like maybe you've got an online course with weekly group coaching calls, or maybe you've got a group program, but people can upgrade to add one-on-one sessions. You can get pretty creative here based on what makes sense for your specific offer. What you really need to understand is that selling high ticket works. It's the most profitable online business. People are doing this right now and making insane money. The difference between you and them isn't talent or connections or luck. It's execution. It's deciding you're gonna stop consuming content and instead actually build this thing. It's being willing to be uncomfortable while you figure it out. It's having the guts to charge what the problem you're solving is worth fixing, even when the voice in the back of your head says that nobody's gonna pay you thousands of dollars. They absolutely will. $10,000 a month breaks down to around $333 per day. If you're selling a $3,000 offer, you need to close one client every 9 days. Does that sound impossible? Because it shouldn't. That's really doable if you actually have a painful problem you're solving, traffic coming in, and a sales process that actually works. Stop overthinking this. Stop waiting for so-called perfect circumstances, because spoiler alert, they're not fucking coming. Stop making excuses about why this won't work for you specifically. Pick the painful problem you want to solve. Build an offer around it. Start driving traffic to it with social media content. Get good at sales. And the way you do this is by taking hundreds of sales calls, then deliver results and you scale. That's it. That's the roadmap to $10,000 a month in a nutshell. The people making money right now aren't smarter than you. Honestly, they're not. They just started before you did, and they didn't quit when it got hard. So the real question is, are you gonna do this, or are you gonna watch another 100 videos and stay exactly where you are? Because I can give you the blueprint, but I can't make you do the thing. That part's on you. If you want me to personally help you to build a profitable online business and reach financial freedom as quickly as possible, check out the link in the description below. It's a free training which will share with you the 3 keys I used to make over $1,000 a day with my business. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you to implement everything step by step. But be quick, we have very limited spots. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.